Let's try to get our first fish. Finally made it to MDO. Well, I guess we got another 3 miles of some switchbacks through this canyon. But yeah, here we go. We're getting there. Looks fairly flat. Made it to MVO. Now we're launching. Oh yeah, this is nice. First couple seconds ever sitting on the kayak. I like it. Let's see where I'm at. A little bit further back. Oh yeah, that's much better. Let's see. Got a good angle. How's that? That better? That looks like it'll be better. Where's my radio? There it is. Alright, well, I'll turn you off for right now until I get out there and start getting some fish. One of my paddle arms is about to fall off.
Your what? got a few tools on me. Crescent wrench, I believe.
It's a massive Allen wrench.
Think you can get it with needle nose spread?
Maybe. Finally.
No skunk. Link cod.
Nope.
Gopher.
Kelp.
Kelp, sandbass?
It's a kelp greenling.
Greenling?
Looks like, yeah. I don't care, I'm keeping them. First fish.
Something big just hit me.
All right, first fish on the pescador.
No skunk.
No skunk. It is kind of small though.
Yeah, better than nothing.
Better than nothing, that is true. You are going home with me, my friend.
I haven't really got another gopher. Yep, another gopher. You're going home with me this time. Sorry, guy. I'm being greedy.
I guess the key today
Number 5. He hit the fucking octopus, though.
is anchovies.
He hit the octopus.
I knew I should have brought both bags. Ooh, they stinky.
Yeah, gophers are kind of stinky.
No, I'm talking about my bait.
Oh. So the gophers are kind of stinky, too.
What'd he say?
No skunk.
Oh, he let go. There we go.
Something, sorry. You got something decent on there? I'm gonna double up my octopi.
There, I'll take this guy.
What is that? Another gopher?
Yeah. Yeah, he's spitting up crab as well. There we go, look at that guy. I'll let this guy go. They keep pooping everywhere. Fucking jizzing and everything everywhere. Got ourselves a little baby blue. Love these things, they just need to be bigger. There we go, that's a nice blue right there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what we have so far.
That's a nice bend.
Oh my goodness.
Nice ling.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. Met him. He looks keeper. 2 of them.
No, 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 where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He let go.
Oh,
He was on this fish.
He's a hitchhiker.
Oh, dude.
Damn.
No.
Damn, you know where they're at now. Where there's one, there's always more.
Motherfucker, dude. big ass lingcod had this bitch, dude, in his mouth.
Hitchhikers.
Dude, he was
I
fucking.
saw him. I was like, holy shit. On the bottom too, huh?
Yeah. Back that way.
I'm seeing him. You're on the
Jesus.
drop point.
Dude, he had that motherfucker in his mouth.
I can see him all.
I don't know. Should I throw this dude back?
That's a decent size.
I'll keep him. Puts me at 6.
Yeah, worst case scenario, you can take one of the small ones, use them for bait.
That was a fucking dude.
Getting lighter out, that's why we're seeing it. They can see your bait.
That motherfucker was massive. Dude, he was like, dude, he just fucking had that bitch in his mouth.
Dude, they'll eat things twice their size.
Fuck.
He was a keeper for sure.
No, he was.
That's what we came here for. We need to find him again.
Oh yeah, that's what I've been coming here for. Look at that motherfucker. Woo! Dude. Yes, 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 yes. Woo! We're on the right spot.
On the sardine.
Whole squid.
They're just starting to wake up is what it is. The sun's coming out.
Barely hooked.
That guy spot if a guy in a boat's over here.
Massive fucker.
Oh, I see him. Big old school of them. You big?
Yeah. Bigger than any fucking one on a boat.
Not a Santa Barbara boat.
Oh, a Ventura boat.
Yeah.
That's what I meant.
That's still badass. Okay.
We are done. Fucking got like 8 rockfish. Lost a massive lingcod. It was a hitchhiker though. It was on fucking gopher. Brought him up to shoot his head. About that big. It's craziness. But it was a productive day. Got to break in the new kayak, and it kind of broke as well. But, yeah, we're gonna want to fucking, land it up right now. A lot of fucking people here. What happened? Yeah.
Looks like the easiest beach landing.
Yep, looks like it.